Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add photo or photo album to iPhone standby mode. So you can easily add your own photo or your own photo album in your iPhone standby mode, and here's how to do it. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app, and now we'll create a new album. So go to album section and tap on this plus icon and tap on new album and give the album name and then tap on save. Once the album created, now select photos to add to the album and tap on add. Once you've successfully created an album with your own photo, now all you have to need, go to standby mode. And once you are in standby mode, here scroll down and search for photo or camera. So here we can see photos open. Now tap and hold on a blank space or just tap on unlock to view photos and write here your passcode. And now tap on this plus icon at the top left, and here you will find all of your albums you created. Select the specific album that you want to add in your standby mode and just tap on done. And this is how we can add our own photos or albums in iPhone standby. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.